Okay, here we go. Here's the end of the first slab. Okay, and the mill's coming out. And we're going to start the second slab. With the power feed, you can just ease right into the log, make sure everything's set up okay. It's about a 3-inch slab. There we go, there's the start. And let's jump to the middle. Okay, in the middle, we push the speed up a little bit. And you can see it cutting away. Nice big piece of alder. There's this one underneath. And we put some wedges in and finish the cut. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching.